New Invisible Shield Pro 15 glass protection. The incredible nanoscale glass coating that seals, preserves, and protects all residential and commercial glass to keep it in a clean, clear, and sparkling condition and protect it against the elements. Invisible Shield Pro 15 seals glass with a durable molecular bond that makes glass remarkably water, soil, stain repellent, and scratch and corrosion resistant. It prevents unsightly water spots, stains, pitting, scratches, and other damage that can affect the natural beauty, clarity, and appearance of your glass. Invisible Shield Pro 15 applies to glass in just minutes. The fast and simple application process permanently safeguards glass to keep it in a like-new and crystal clear condition. Glass must be clean and dry prior to application of the Invisible Shield Pro 15 glass protection. If the glass has pre-existing stains, water spots, or mineral deposits, simply use the Invisible Shield Pre-Cleaner and Restorer to easily remove stubborn stains and thoroughly clean the glass. Once the glass is clean, apply Invisible Shield Pro 15 directly onto the glass using a soft cloth, microfiber, or automatic spray applicator. For semi-manual application, polish the coating onto the glass using a firm, circular, and overlapping motion to ensure complete coverage and optimum protection. Allow the product to dry for several minutes until the solvent has evaporated and the glass is sealed. After the Invisible Shield Pro 15 dries, simply rinse the glass with water and polish clean until crystal clear. Look at the amazing Invisible Shield Pro 15 protection and repellency. Invisible Shield Pro 15 blocks out dirt, grime, and stains for a lasting clean. Invisible Shield Pro 15 is rated #1 in glass protection for its performance, safety, application, and value. Unelco manufactures a variety of dual-action cleaners, sealers, and protective coatings designed to restore, protect, and maintain glass in a pristine condition with less effort. For additional questions, glass care tips, or data about Unelco's products, visit unelco.com or glasscareexperts.com.